here's a tour of my farm. Please remember to like and subscribe with the notification bell on. Make these cute little cows happy. All of them. There's my cows. There's the other cows. There's the mine's the minis. What's the minnows? What's the minnows? Oh, what am I minnows doing? What am I minnows doing? Oh yeah, just sit down, yeah. Alright. If you guys are watching this, remember to go check out one of my best friend's YouTube channels. He makes a lot of cool videos. His is just about the exact same as mine, but instead of shut snake at the end, it's gamer. It's gamer boy 31, no spaces in that, and then a space, and then a gamer. Yeah, you guys need to check out his videos. He makes a lot of cool videos. Now I'm gonna come down here, show you guys my animals. First, I'll probably start out with the chickens. Well, second, because I already started out with the cows. No, first, second, I'll start out with my little Pablo. My little rabbit. Hi there, Pablo. Hi, bud. Alright. Now I'm gonna come into my chickens. Better see better. See, there's the rooster. There's blacks, browns. There's a bunch of different chickens. Alright, now I'll probably head over to the other side of the animals. Might get a little dizzy for you guys. My phone's gonna go everywhere because I got behind this fence. Come over to this side. Now I'm gonna show you some of my peacocks. There. I'm going to show you guys one of the cooler long-tailed ones. It's right there. I don't know if you guys can see him that well. Oh, the sun's glaring it. I'll get up closer to him. He might stand up. Sweet. See? A nice long tail. And here's my duckies and my chicken. We've just kept them together because they've been raised together their life. They've been together. They're all trying to go into their little house. And there's that grayish one. I think that one's a girl. Oh, there's the peacock seeing what I'm doing. Here's my black one. I'm going to show you guys my turkeys. Turkey-larkies. See? They're beauties. Alrighty, remember to like and subscribe with the notification bell on. And just in case if you forgot how to spell one of my best friends' YouTube channels, it's gamerboy31 space, not the word space, like a little gap, and then gamer. So practically just like mine, but instead of shut snake at the end, it's gamer. So yeah, I think you guys should go over, check his channel out. It's super cool. Got a bunch of nice videos. Fortnite, real life, knife collections. It's just super nice. You guys should check it out. Alright, I think that's the end of my video. Let me try to see if I have any more animals to show you guys. Okey-dokey. Yeah, I think that's it. Remember to go to my friend's channel and like and subscribe, and my channel and like and subscribe with the notification bell on so you can see when I post more of my videos. Thanks for watching.